Mainit-init na chismis. Donnie Pangilinan, hindi raw sanay nawala si Bel Mariano. Isang malaking challenge para kay Donnie Pangilinan na gumawa ng isang teleserye na hindi kasama si Bel Mariano. Nasanay raw siya na nandoon si Bel sa kanyang tabi kapag may mga eksena sila. Challenge sa akin. Nakakapanibago kasi quite sometime I acted in some teleserye, feeling ko lahat ng shows and series ko was with Bel. Most of the time for the past 5 years or 6 years na magkasama kami, and this is something we both talk about it talaga. She also able to do her own project, so I didn't know what to expect. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung magiging relationship ko with these cast members. Kung ano yung magiging dynamics namin. It my first time also do a project. At syempre, yung dream ko actor ko ay yung kaibigan ko ring lalaki. It's a different dynamics that in itself, syempre, may pressure. But entering that new career is a growth and maturity. When you live that comfort zone, doon mo rin nararamdaman yung emotion na hindi mo nararamdaman dati. Mga eksenang hindi mo nagagawa dati. Pahayag ni Donnie. Ito ang kauna-unahang teleserye ni Donnie na hindi kasama si Bel after 6 years. Pero supportive naman si Bel sa kanya at dumalo pa ito sa celebrity screening ng Roja para ipakita ang kanyang suporta.